Hey everyone, we're down here in the Everglades, Florida to take a ride on one of Speedy's airboat tours and to get a close-up look at the living dinosaurs that still inhabit this beautiful landscape. We're gonna see some pretty big gators here, as well as some adorable little ones.
There's other ways you can eat.
Hey, show them up to the camera real quick.
See her? Her name is Jellybean.
Oh my gosh.
Look at.
But first, let's go for a cruise to explore the mangroves that pepper the coastal channels and winding rivers of South Florida. The trees here have evolved to grow and thrive in these salty coastal waters. Okay, time for the disclaimer. We're about to kick it into high gear here shortly, and this might make some people feel a little motion sickness, especially if you're just starting out in VR. Some pro tips: try to do what you would do in a car driving on the highway. Would you stare closely at the trees speeding past your passenger window? No, you wouldn't, because that would give you motion sickness. Same concept here. Keep your eyes moving, never staring too closely at the trees speeding past. If you start to get sick, try looking at a fixed, unmoving object, like the sky out on the horizon, or even the boat. Surprisingly, a fan-blowing wind on your face also helps a lot. Skip ahead to 6 minutes 15 second marker if you want to skip this part and go straight to the Gator farm. Still with us? Okay. Don't say I didn't warn you. We spotted an alligator in the wild. throwing leaves in the water will trick it into thinking there is something tasty out here to eat.
Some fish in there.
It was extremely difficult to keep the camera from moving here, so keep looking at fixed points.
2,100 pounds per square inch body pressure. It's about 7 or 8 times the amount of your average dog.
Bunch of fish.
Out of their 80 teeth, if they lose one within about 30 to 90 days of a new one brought in behind.
That's all we could get before the boat tour was over. It's time to head back to the alligator farm to get a closer look at these beautiful creatures and watch the alligator show.
That thing alive?
Huh? Sunny.
What?
Alligators are cold-blooded and will lay motionless for hours on end, conserving energy and soaking up the sun's rays.
Turtles.
Don't like you. Totally. Right. There's two Florida box turtles. Right, the yellow and brown ones. Good. Good. Do you know what kind of tortoise this is?
Not a clue. So I've been here for 7 months. Didn't do gator stuff, wanting anything with them. I can answer any question about the event.
Keep fingers away from gator. We're gonna pet this guy.
Hey, you can just let them bring it back. They don't want to see it.
It's a baby gator.
Oh, you mean like those? That's skills.
Oh my gosh, it's a baby gator.
So this here's jelly bean. 3 rules. 1, if they shake and they wiggle, this just means they're alive. Please do not drop them. If they don't shake them. Rule 2, the black band's off for your safety. Take it off unless in the gator way, but please feel free to pet her. She does enjoy it. And no one else wants to hold the gator, so it's just you.
Okay.
Just and Tim. Jelly bean.
Jelly bean.
She's about 3 years old.
Aww.
Wait, she's 3 years old?
Yes.
They don't grow that big, that fast, huh?
That one's 1 to give you an idea. Right over
Wow.
Okay.
You want to try it?
I'll pet him.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
here. Guys, where you coming from?
We are from New York.
Nice.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Bring you down to Florida.
That was crazy.
I did.
Well, there's other ways you can hold.
Alright.
Show him up to the camera real quick.
See her? Her name is Jellybean.
Oh my gosh.
Look at her beautiful teeth. Do you brush them? How do you keep them so white?
You're right.
Oh my gosh! You do brush them!
I bought them and started cleaning their teeth out. She has the best of them all though.
Yeah, they're so cute. If you look at teeth of alligators in the wild, are they really bad or?
No, they're pretty good. They fall out over and over. They go through 3,000, 5,000 of these in a lifetime.
Okay.
So they fall out over and over. So if a tooth does get bad, there's just, oh look, it's gone.
Okay.
But as they get older, eventually they will stop regrowing some of them. So they'll end up having like 60 or teeth instead of 80.
Yeah. Oh, you're such a good girl.
If you wanted to try to reintegrate it back to the wild, it just wouldn't work out. Once fed by humans, he knows it as a food source. So you can take him 20 miles south, north, east, west. He wouldn't hunt, he wouldn't eat. He would just look for this place first. And after weeks, not months of trying to find it, he'll look for any human and they become the food. So he'll be staying here. Now before we go into the tricks, I got one last thing I can show y'all. And we're gonna have their fun. This is a small 14-foot gator. I'll be showing the brain cavity today, right below my finger. This is the brain cavity. The brain itself is even smaller, the size of a peanut. So what it means overall is Charlie here doesn't know his name's Charlie. But there is some intelligence. We have seen gators balancing branches on their snouts. Now once you know all these fun facts about alligators, you sign the waivers, and you are stupid enough, you can have a bit of fun. Now the eyes are located at the back of the upper jaw, so he has no idea the hand's in here. This is perfectly safe. But the trick does get boring after a little while, so you start thinking to yourself, what's this button do? So notice the lower jaw will flinch, but he does not shut. I'm leaving his tongue alone, and that lower jaw cannot close. He's top down, he crushes. Now, you're trying to figure out why I do this for a living. This is just my safe place where my nieces and nephews cannot come, can't get in here. But we do the gator shows from mouth and pull it to the chest. We're gonna tie a little band around his mouth. You're gonna hold it shut with your chin.
What a day. Hit that subscribe button and join me in a couple weeks for our special New Orleans New Year's Eve party on Bourbon Street.
And you have a caught gator. You'll then take his arms, tie it behind his back, read him his rights, and look out for that tail. Too easy. The last trick I'll be able to show y'all is known as the face-off. Now, this is not taught by the Native Americans. They want no credit. This is a white man show stunt. We are stupid and love to have fun.
Yeah.
Now, any questions about natural selection? And that'll be everything I can do here with Charlie. Any questions at all?
Guy before you retire or?
Yeah, he's safe. So, my old